And I'm back with another DIY videos. Y'all are gonna see a lot of DIY videos coming from me because I'm really starting to fuck with these DIYs, like no cap. And back at y'all with another banger. I say this in every video because every video is a banger. Y'all should already know that. But yeah, let's straight to the video. Let's go. I said this is gonna be a DIY, but it's not really gonna be me teaching y'all how to do it. Y'all just gonna be coming along with me while I do it. I'm gonna be going on Pinterest, and I seen these pants on Pinterest that I wanted to recreate, and I feel like they look very tough. Now it's just patchwork really, but the patchwork had different combinations and it just didn't, the patches at all didn't match. But when you paired it up with the jeans, it just made it look better. So that's what I'm finna be going for with this. I don't know how to do patchwork. I tried to look up YouTube videos. They were no help. They was just like, these are the ones that like popped up. Like, that's not the type of patchwork I'm trying to do. But I'm finna be like doing like on like the top of the pants, and then these, y'all gonna see when I do it, but these are the pants I'm referring to that I wanna try. So that's what I'm finna try to be doing. I'm not really gonna give y'all no tutorial or nothing. Y'all just gonna be watching me do it, and then I'm gonna pull off the outfit at the end. So stay to the end, don't skip. Stay to the end to see what outfit I pull off. It's really gonna be a tough outfit. So yeah, let's get to the video. Let's go. So I remember this trick we used to do in school, but I still don't remember how to do it. But I'm gonna just try to make a big heart like this way and see if it come out right. I really don't know what I'm doing right here, but I think it was like something like this, like how we did in school. Yeah, something like that, but I don't want it to be that like long looking. That's gonna be the template for it. I wanna make sure, I'm gonna put it on the jeans so I can do that for y'all right now. But, so I'm gonna just get a pants leg. These are all the colors I'm using. Here got the fabrics, the reds, this like, it's like in the middle between this color and this color. And I'm gonna just put hearts on them. They look like a Valentine thing. They could be bigger. I might do one more and then just have like a bigger one just so it can have like different shapes. But yeah, as far as the like just regular ones, it's gonna be this template and it's gonna be hearts. I'm gonna sew them onto the thing. I feel like it's gonna be very tough. I already showed y'all a picture of like what I'm trying to go for, like a little patchwork something. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to making another heart of this, then I'll come back. Well, I'll just show y'all me cutting these out, like the fabric. So yeah. All right, as you see right here, it didn't turn out too bad, but I don't like how it didn't turn out how I wanted it. So what I'm gonna try to do right now is how I did it with the templates. I'm gonna just fold it like I don't know how to do it, like this probably. And then I'm gonna try to cut out a heart from this. And if that works, then all that cut out template that I did was useless, but it didn't take that long. So I ain't tripping if it do work. But that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll just show y'all me doing it now. So just start off. I feel like this is gonna work even better, and I'm just an idiot for not doing this off rip. But I don't know how to cut it, so it's gonna look dumb. See? Let's see how it opens up. Oh, it's not that bad. I'm gonna trim like the edges, of course, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of them. Just fold it and then cut so I can get a perfect heart for each one. Yeah, I feel like these would have been better for Valentine's Day. They would have been like a tough Valentine's Day pair of pants. But shit, fuck it. All right, so I got my hearts. I did 2 of each color, so here go the red velvet ones, another red velvet. Then I did like the purplish velvet, another purple velvet. Then I did the pink velvet, another pink velvet. So I just got 6 hearts in total. So now, now this is what I'm gonna do. So I see the jeans. Now I'm gonna just put out a template. Really, not really a template, but y'all can see what I'm saying. All right, so yeah, here go what the pants are looking like right now. I just did a template of them, put them right how I did. As you see, I got all the hearts. So now I'm finna like seam rip the pants leg so I can have space to work with. And then I'm gonna just sew these on with a zigzag stitch. So yeah, now let's head over to the All right, so right now I am struggling, like I don't know, but like I'm struggling to move like the pants leg so I can still line it up with all of this at the same time. It's not easy right now, but I figure out, like, it's only the first one that I'm doing. This is my first time ever doing it. So once I figure out how to do this one patch, all these other ones should be easy. But yeah, I'm just zigzag stitching it across the whole thing so I can just stay on there. And I like the zigzag effect, makes it like a vintage look. So yeah, I'm gonna finish doing this patch, and then yeah, all I gotta do is just finish up and figure out how to do it the easiest way possible. Yeah. All right, so I got an idea. I don't know if I think I want to put like stuffing in it just to make it like poke out more, but I'm gonna just sew it out regular right now, see how it look, and then at the end, well, not really at the end, but like near towards the end of sewing, I'm gonna try to put stuffing in it just to see how it looks. It maybe look stupid, but I'm gonna check stuffing out. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now, but I still gotta worry about sewing it up. So yeah, let me finish this up, and then I'll catch back up with y'all once I'm actually figuring out if I want to put it stuffing or not. If I put stuffing in it, I'll show y'all, but if I don't, I'm gonna finish up the sewing process on these and then show you the finished product, because I feel like this video is getting kind of lengthy. So here go how it look right now. It's not too bad. I actually like how it looks like sloppy, because it looks like the teddy bears will has like stitches on them and shit like that. But yeah, I end up putting like a little bit of fluffing in there. You really, I mean, you can tell in person, but right now, and you can really tell back here, but it pokes out a little bit, and I actually like it. It looks like a teddy bear, like attachment type shit. So I'm gonna do the rest like this, and then the next time you'll see me, I'll have all of them finished. So yeah, let's cut to the finished product in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I took a little break. I mean, I only got really one more part to do until I'm done, but I had to tune in to watch my boy Orlando's video. Like I said, I had to tune in to my boy Orlando's video. He made some jeans. I'm still watching them or whatever, but I'm still watching the vid or whatever, but you already know how to like up. So, but I thought it was crazy that he dropped a DIY video while I'm filming one. So yeah, now let's get on to the final product. So the next thing you really will see is me B-roll of the things. I probably will take flicks in these pants, so the flicks probably be up by the time y'all see this. But yeah, I forgot the camera was not turned to me. But I'm about done with my pants, so I'm gonna take B-roll in them. That's gonna be like the next thing. Well, not the next, I'm gonna show y'all the pants, but then the B-roll probably gonna be from later on, because I am taking flicks in these. I already got like the shoes I want. I'm gonna wear it with these. I can show y'all what like shoes I want to wear, because the flicks gonna be out before this video. But I haven't worn these in a minute, and the reason I haven't worn them is because they're too little. But I don't care, bro. I'm gonna wear these for these, because they got the perfect color combination. I'm wearing these with the flicks with them, so that's probably gonna be like some tough flicks, probably like some of the hardest flicks, you know. But yeah, now let's get to the actual end product. I just had to stop, watch my boy Orlando's video. Y'all go sub to him, no cap. But yeah, now let's get on to the actual final product. Y'all understand? Yeah, let's get to the final product. I know y'all tired. I need to cut. I'm gonna cut my hair tomorrow, because we're supposed to be going to the beach, and I'm not trying to be looking hurt. So yeah, this ain't gonna cut it. I'll be off topic for real, not gonna lie to you. Let's get straight to the next part, whatever. Let's get straight to it. Let's go. All right, so this is how the pants turned out. My fault about the lighting. Like, I don't know. I'll probably try to do like something like that or something, but I don't really know. All right, but anyway, this is how the pants came out. Y'all can see they look very tough now. I think I like these better than the like flat ones. Like, as I showed y'all, I started off trying to do the flat ones, but I added the little puff like I do in every one of my creations. Like, you gotta make, when you do custom like this, you gotta make it your own. Don't really try to mimic it the exact way. Make it your own, because then it can really be original. I just added the puff, so give it like a 3D effect. And yeah, I like the colors. It's like a cool Valentine's Day thing. Like, I wish I would have done this near Valentine's Day. It would have went with the theme of Valentine's Day, you understand? But I can see myself wearing these like a little bit like I'll probably throw them on with take a flick, and then after that I'll probably wear like a couple times after that. But yeah, if y'all interested in these pants, hit me up, or they will be on my Depop. So yeah, and then like even like the puffs don't look too big. They don't look like OD puffy. Like you get up close, you obviously can tell, but like if I'm just standing like this, you really can't tell that they puffy. They just like printed on the pants or sold on the pants or whatever. But yeah, that's cap it off. Well, that's not gonna cap it off. Here go the B-roll of like me in the pants. But that's gonna come like later on or whatever. But yeah, here go the B-roll of me in the pants. But that's the last time you're gonna hear from me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. I got more DIYs to 1K, like I said. If you see this video, blow this video up, repost, put it on your story, share, tag all your friends. Go share this video to 2 people. Share this video to 2 people or post it on Instagram story. Say go subscribe to THT Camp. Come on now, confirm with me. So yeah, let's cap it off for this video. These pants came out super tough. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.